Westermans here with a M100 orbital welder which has just arrived, having a quick function test. Started off with a tack weld, now we're doing a continuation with pulse. Machine has actually got printer on it, it's down sloping now. We do a range of weld heads, that is the series 5 like I say. We also do the 10, the 20 and the 4 series. We also carry other welding machines or orbital machines from Swagelok, AMI, Polysud, Axair plus others. We also carry welding positioners, rotators, column and booms, MIG, TIG, sub-arc, cobots, plus many other types of engineering equipment, welding lathes, engineering lathes, turning rolls, spot welders. For more details please look at westermans.com or email welding@westermans. This machine will be sold service to order or an option to buy as seen with that series head at a cheaper cost, but comes without warranty when sold as seen. Thank you for looking.